Merrill Edge Self-Directed Review, 2025 Pros and Cons. Detailed overview, honest and unbiased. You won't believe how accessible investing has become. Merrill Edge Self-Directed in 2025 offers a robust platform for hands-on investors, but is it right for you? Merrill Edge allows commission-free trading of stocks, and its powerful research tools and integrated banking features. The surprising truth is flexibility. Most people get this wrong by assuming robust platforms are only for experts. Merrill Edge offers intuitive navigation, customizable dashboards, and real-time data suitable for both beginners and experienced investors. Another advantage is research. You won't believe what happens next when you explore in-depth reports, analyst ratings, and market insights, helping you make informed investment decisions without needing third-party subscriptions. However, cons exist. Advanced options and margin trading may be complex for new users. Platform can be overwhelming initially, and some features require a Bank of America relationship for full access. Mobile app features are solid but less comprehensive than the desktop version. In conclusion, Merrill Edge Self-Directed is perfect for investors in 2025 who want control, research, and flexibility without paying high fees. If you're ready to actively manage your portfolio and utilize powerful tools, it's a reliable platform. For those preferring full automation or guidance, consider Merrill Guided Investing instead.